Kubernetes changed everything. We finally got the power, flexibility, scalability. But it came at a cost. Every time you deploy something new, you're back in the trenches, wrestling with YAML. Not one file, dozens. And it's fragile. One wrong indent, one missing port, nothing works. That's where KubeKanvas comes in, a visual editor for Kubernetes, where you design workloads like you're sketching a system diagram. No tabs, no syntax errors, just logic. Drop your resources on the canvas, draw the connections. KubeKanvas takes it from there. Services, selectors, ports, all generated for you. If something's off, you'll see it instantly. Visual feedback right on the canvas, so you can fix it before you hit deploy. Want to secure traffic? KubeKanvas shows you what's exposed. Just drag in a network policy, set the rules, and lock it down. When you're done, deploy straight to your cluster, local, or cloud with one click, or export to Helm or YAML. Everything built with industry standards, and it's not just for solo devs, it's built for teams with real-time collaboration. AI helps you size resources, catch mistakes, and follow best practices, saving time and money. KubeKanvas makes Kubernetes simple, visual, and human. Stop writing YAML by hand. Start designing infrastructure the way it should be. Try KubeKanvas.